power washing the old boards. Cleaning up our board stash. This came out of the two-story house upstairs, built in the 1940s. Oscillating tool just kind of gets the dirt off. Now we have a bunch of staples. This was actually used on the roof, and they put the tar paper and then the shingles on top back in the day before plywood. Oscillating tool. Getting ready to rip this board down to 3-inch wide strips that we will use to connect the windows together. Oopsie.
I'll let you do it by hand. The board varies on the side. You'll just keep going in and fine going over again.
Yeah. Cutting this sill plate for around the perimeter. Treated wood. 2.5 inches wide approximately. The windows are about 2 inches, so they'll fit right on top, stacked. Back wall support. Put the cut around the window ledge. So we are putting a cement underneath the board.
Polyvinyl chloride adhesive works really good outside. So this is actually what would be plumb. I think I'm just going to stick roughly straight to the black.
2.5 inches long wood deck screws. We're using a plumb bob on a windy day to figure out the corner. The wall is going to be set back from the main front beam, but that's okay. We're gonna connect it all together. Top side beam has been installed. The side windows will go right in this area. Marking every 2 feet where the roof joists are gonna be on this main beam.
Don't even need any screws in that one.
Yeah, that's a good one. Corner wall. We released the very tip top so that we could shore up that bottom that was a bit twisted. Now we're going back up to the top, get it straight. Temporary to just hold the board in place.